How to select whole month on Skyscanner app. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can select whole month on Skyscanner app. Skyscanner is a travel search engine that helps users find and compare flights, hotels, and car rentals. It allows users to search for flights from various airlines and travel agencies. Now, if you want to select whole month on your Skyscanner app, first of all, you need to open your Skyscanner application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this home screen. Here you need to tap on this Explore Everywhere option. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to a new page now. In this page, at the top, you will find your current location. Here you need to tap on it, and from the top you will find this window. Here you need to tap on this anytime, and now here you will be able to select the days. If you want to select whole month here, you need to select this select whole month option at the right side of the month. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. Once you have done that, at the bottom you will see whole month has been selected. After selecting the month, now you need to confirm it. For that, you need to tap on this confirm button at the bottom right. Once you tap on this, now it will be confirmed. Now from here you can browse through the options and select a flight that suits your need. So this is how you can select whole month on Skyscanner app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.